Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Flap. I'm Yashmita, and yesterday when I was coming back from my office, there's a beach on the way. So every time when I'm going to the office or coming back from the office, I just look at this beach for. It comes for just about 6 to 7 seconds, and I just look at this beach, and I feel so connected to the nature, to connected to myself. I just look at the vastness of this beach, and it's so beautiful to look at. So yesterday the same thing happened, and I was wondering why am I feeling so overwhelmed looking at this beach, and why is this thing happening again and again? Why I just feel so fulfilled looking at this beach. So yeah, I was wondering about it, and later on I pondered about this concept of us being vibrational beings. Yeah, we have been taught that we are human beings, we are this physical body, we are something that we can touch, we are something that we can see. But if you have watched this movie called The Secret from Rhonda Byrne, and I'm sure that you have watched it already if you're watching this video. So even in that movie, they have shown that we are nothing but just particles of energy. We are nothing but this energy particles that are vibrating on a certain level. So the concept of us being vibrational beings is rather esoteric for us right now, because we are not supposed to believe in things that are not there, things that we cannot see or touch. But these days more and more people are coming into terms with this concept that we are vibrating on a certain energy. Each one of us has a certain energy pattern, and if you're watching this video right now, I'm sure that me and you, we are mostly on the same energy pattern. We are having the same vibration. So with this concept of vibrational beings comes another concept that we are only allowing anything in our life that which we are vibrating with. Law of attraction has a little loophole in it, and that loophole is that we don't attract what we want, we attract who we are. If we are vibrating on a higher energy pattern, if our vibration is really good and high, then we will attract those things in our life that are resonating with that energy. So people often ask that how we get what we want in our life. So you just have to tune with that energy, and you will definitely get what you want. So the next question comes that how we tune with that energy, how we vibrate on a how we vibrate on a higher level. So for that I would like to say that the energy that people are vibrating these days is mostly very low, because we are always struggling, and we are always running after things that we may not even need. So we just have to look deep within inside that what it is that we really want, what it is that will make us happy. And if you ask this question yourself, and if you honestly answer, you will understand that we don't really need these things that we think that will make us happy. We don't need these cars, we don't need these big houses, we don't need things that are that we can see and physically touch, and that we can have in our life. The deepest desire of us as a human being, as a vibrational being, is to feel connected, to be able to give something to other people, to be more on the giving end rather than the receiving end. And this is what the God is all about, the universe is all about. The universe is always giving us so many things: the air that we breathe in, the sun, the nature, the water, everything. So I think that if we become more and more like universe, and by universe I mean God, or whatever you believe in, you have faith in. Here in India we have faith in Bhagwan, Ganesh ji, and there are people who have faith in Allah, there are people who have faith in Jesus. So whatever this power that you have faith in, you just have to become more like that. And if you try to become more like that, you will definitely increase your vibrational energy, you will increase your vibrational pattern. So and to be more frank, we don't have to do that just to get these things in our life. We should be more kind, we should be more compassionate, forgiving, and we should be more patient, just not for the sake of having this higher energy and then attracting those things into our life. We should pursue these qualities in our life just because this is what we are supposed to do. This is the higher purpose of each one of us, to become more like the universe, to become more like God. So this is I think this is enough for the first session, this esoteric session of our vibrational energy. And but yeah, I'm starting to understand this concept more and more, and I think that we are all connected. If you're watching this video, we are mostly connected in at some level. And I just feel so happy and so glad that you're watching this video. And even in my meditation or prayer or whatever you call it, I feel that every one of you who's watching this video, you are having a good day, you are having a good life. And this is all about us being as a vibrational friends, because even though we may not see each other, or we may not meet each other anytime soon, or maybe never, but still we are connected, just like we are connected to other people in the world. We are all connected here. So I would just like to end this video by saying that increase your vibrational energy day by day, and do your inner work, because if you do your inner work, your vibrational energy will increase more rapidly. And by inner work, I mean that spend some time with the nature, and meditate for some time, do good things with other people. Just imagine that you are God, and you have to do what God is doing. You just have to give and do things for other people, be helpful. So these are the qualities that even if we implant just one quality even if we just implant one quality inside ourselves, we are more likely to connect deeply with the God and deeply with other people, and we are more likely to have this higher energy that I'm talking about. So just let me know that what quality you are implanting inside yourself. Do your inner work, start meditating for some time every day, and you will find that you are now vibrating on a certain higher level of consciousness. So yeah, so this is it for today, and I'll catch you in another video. We will share more we'll discuss on more such topics. And you know what, that when I make this video, and when I prepare for this video, I have this more deeper understanding of these topics, and I feel more grateful that yeah, I'm able to make these videos for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Much love and happy